Let's do a quick NOV SIGHT HALO install.
I'm really happy with these lights. I think they look great. They're good quality lights. The housings are really nice. The wiring harness was no problem. Quality plugs. There is a little trick to get them to work properly with your factory auxiliary switches. If you want to know that trick and you get a set of these, just send me a message and I'll share that information with you.
Okay, the cover's off on the left one. No amber cover, and the right one has the amber cover on. Really can't tell much of a difference after dark. They look super awesome. I love them. All right, so that's the driver's side with the amber on, passenger side with the amber off. Crazy bright. I'll have to go down the road and see how what kind of range they have. These are set up to be flood and spot. You can tell the difference. The bottom half of this light is the flood light, and this is the spot. But my KC lights up front are spotlights, and they're just too far out, so I really needed a floodlight. So I'm hoping these will make a difference on the trail. All right, so I'm gonna turn my KC lights on. All right, turn those off. Now these are my, look how, I think these are brighter than my KC lights. I think the KC spread more, but I think these are brighter. It's crazy. I didn't expect that. I paid so much more for those KC lights than these lights.
All right, back in the garage now. I originally found these lights when I was watching another YouTube channel that I like to watch, Freddie with Unwinding Roads. He had a discount code where I was able to get 20% off. You know, even though I have like 5 people watching this video, I don't get free stuff and discount codes. So go to his page and subscribe. He has some pretty cool videos that he goes out with some other YouTubers in Canada. I didn't bore you with the big long wiring installation. It's very basic and easy to do, but the only trick is wiring it into your auxiliary switches. So if you're interested in picking up a set of these and you have those factory auxiliary switches and it's a very simple little process, just give me a message and I'll share that information. We're also in the process of building an overlanding trailer. If you'd be interested in seeing a video on that, please like and subscribe, and I'll be putting that up sometime soon. Thanks for watching. God bless you guys.